you worried about the other parent violating the custody order? My name is Goldman, and I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. And our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. So we're going to talk today about what do we do about violating those orders. Please subscribe to our channel. You know, the court gives orders and it expects compliance. You may think to yourself, well, gee, why am I going to do this? Why am I going to spend the time and the money and the effort to frame a beautiful custody order that says that I get custody on these days and on these times you bring the child to me and then I bring the child? Why am I going to do this? And all the while, I don't even think the other side's going to comply. You have to understand, there's two things going on in these custody cases. There's a short game and there's a long game, okay? The order is designed to help you day to day figure out where the child should be, who should get what, who should do what. That's what the order says. The order is specific. Let's say on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, child is with mom. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, the child's with dad. So the order covers what's going on in the short run. In terms of violation, though, you've got to look at it broader. You're worried that the other side might not comply with the court's order? So what? Let them go into non-compliance. Let them have the rope that they hang themselves with. You know why? They're going to play right into your hand. After a violation, the court might sanction them, the court might admonish them. After multiple violations, the court might strip them of their rights. The court might give 100% custody to you. Why? Because there's a pattern and practice of violation. See, even the court will eventually come to the realization that its orders are meaningless to this particular person. The court's, they're going to start out with the notion that everybody's going to follow my order. I'm the judge. I'm signing an order. You're supposed to bring that child here by 6 o'clock. I'm going to presume that you're going to do that. If not, you're going to get the sanctions of the court. So the court's going to start out with the proposition that everybody's going to comply. You may know for a fact that your ex is non-compliant and doesn't care about the court. You may know that, but the court is not going to crawl into somebody's head to figure it out. The court's going to let them violate. Because once they violate, you're going to bring it to the court's attention. Your lawyer is going to file the appropriate motion. And you know what's going to happen? The court is going to say, okay, I get it. You don't want to listen to my orders? I've given an order so that you guys share the custody? Fine. I'm going to give a new order that doesn't involve your cooperation. Custody's going to dad, 100%. Mom's getting 100% of custody, dad, you get 0. Whatever the case may be. The court has the authority to do that. It will let the other person violate. So you're worried that they won't comply? Don't worry about that. If they don't comply, what's going to happen is you're going to end up with the full benefit. That's how it always is. People think that because they have run the show in the household a certain way, that they're going to do that after the divorce when the court's watching. Well, that ain't going to happen, and they're going to be sorely surprised. They're going to be very, very disappointed when they see that, in fact, their violation causes a diminishment of their rights. If you have any questions about your case, though, reach out, and we'll be glad to help you out.